What's going on, y'all? We just got a package in from Timu. This is the first time I've ever ordered anything from Timu, and it is some motorcycle parts. Now, I wouldn't recommend buying motorcycle parts from crappy sources, but we're gonna check this thing out. It's not structurally integral to anything. It's not a life safety thing. If you buy this, I really just had to do it because it was, $100. Normally it's 150, and it's a pretty big box. So we're gonna check this thing out. I'm gonna flip the camera around. We're gonna unbox this thing, check out the quality, see if it's something that I wasted money on or if it's actually gonna work out pretty well. All right, so here's the box, Cali for reference. We're gonna crack right into this thing, show you what it is, and do a little review. This is the first time I've ever ordered anything from the Timu website. All right. So like I said, it's normally 150 bucks. I got it like with a sale and some coupons and stuff. It ran me, I think it was like 110 shipped to the house or something silly like that. But this is not structurally integral. It's not going to cause me a life or death, I don't think. But it's a pretty big box. So far, the packaging, pretty solid. Pretty solid. All right, we'll open that up in a second. Okay. 110 something to my door. No way. It's actually packaged pretty well. Now, if you're an FXR nerd, you know what this is. This is a FXRT, FXRP style fairing. Can't remember which. Whatever one did not have the turn signal pods. ABS plastic. I mean, surprisingly good quality so far. I mean, the hole in the center for the headlight's a little wonky. Some of the hardware needs to go in and get installed, but tighten it up a little bit. It is a two-piece, so it's inner and outer fairing, which is actually pretty sweet. Might have to mold it together a little bit so that it works. But this fits a Dyna. They only have like one option. So it's like Dyna chassis 97 to 07 or something like that. Dyna frames. Comes with a windshield. Not bad. For less than... If you were to buy one of these through a company like Roland Sands or RWD or whoever really makes them, you're looking at $1,000. For $150, especially since I didn't know if I even wanted to run one, that's got to be the rest of the mounting hardware. You can't really go wrong for, even if you paid their full price of 150 bucks. So in this box is going to be the mounting hardware. We're going to make our own mount because this is not going on a Dyna and it's not going on an FXR. It's going on something else I've been working on a video for. And yeah. Okay, so we got the lower support. The welds look not the greatest. I'll take some pictures and put them on here. I mean, not terrible, not great. But I mean, dude, it's 150 bucks. Like, if you pay full price. So there's that. Headlight housing for a 7-inch headlight. Your mounting hardware for your windshield, your little windshield trim piece. 7-inch headlight bracket, which is perfect. I mean, Looks like the holes were drilled by a drunk, and the welds were done by an 8-year-old, but what can you expect, man? Factory direct from China. Okay, truthfully, this mount doesn't look that bad. I've seen mounts the same quality for some road glide swaps we've done at the shop I work at. I've seen mounts like very similar quality to this from reputable companies. Yeah, I mean, the welds aren't the greatest, but you know, grinder and paint make you what you ain't. Surprisingly good quality. Is anything else in here? No, that's it. For $110 shipped to my door, this is way better than buying anything from a reputable company. That's just straight up. It actually looks pretty dang good. Yeah, so if you were curious on if you should buy a Timu FXRT fairing, I think you should if you want an FXRT fairing, because the ones that you buy from other companies, you're gonna have to paint and body anyway. So save you $1,000 and just get the one from Timu shipped to your house and make your own bracket, because this is one hell of a deal. If you are curious on what this is going on, you're gonna have to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep updated for the build that is coming. I've been editing the video when I have time, but it's not just really one build, it's a build and a little bit of something else. So yeah, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you're curious about anything in regards to this fairing or this kit. It actually got here really quick. It took like 4 days to get here. Yeah. Timu FXR fairing. Do it.